floor. I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
Uy, kadako pa lang ba? Where's your shoes? Okay, alright. Morning, everyone. Say good morning. Look, Tita and Tita's watching. Say good morning.
Morning.
There. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. Sunday morning. And we are going out. Yeah, binihisan ko na tong kiddos. Yes. What do you say to Mama?
That's you, Mama.
You're welcome, sweetheart. I love you very much. I love you very much. Show naman, Tita B. Show. Wow! Very nice shoes.
And guys, do you know why I have tissue? Because my leg is bleeding.
Careful, careful.
Mama.
Makita shoes. Wow! Very nice, princess. Very nice, princess.
Mama.
Yes. We are going to Sunday market, guys. Hindi siya maaga, but yeah, still 10 o'clock.
It closes in 20 minutes.
No, they close at 12, so at least meron pa kaming 1
No,
hour.
Pam!
What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Hey, this way now.
Or I'll turn to mermaid.
Hey, get in the car now. Come on, because we're getting late. Oh no! When we get there, there's nothing left. Come on, Lini, quick, quick. Shush, uy, murang magig. Careful with your head, ate. Okay, hala, ate's going in now. Go, ate. Dala ako ng mga jackets. Ayan. Kasi, baka, bigla ba? Actually, it's a bit cold this morning. It's been raining all night last night. Ate, ay baby girl, come now.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my God, have a look at this car. It's full of blood again. Okay, sweetie girl. Okay. Okay. So I see you there, Tita and Tito. See there. Just Ito lang pala yung pa-outfit namin niyo today, guys. Very casual lang tayo. Ayan. Pink top, shorts, and yung aking sandals. Hindi na ako na-exchange ng bag. Ito yung suot ko kagabi, di ba, nung nag-dinner kami. Nandito na kasi lahat yung wallet and everything. Ayun ko lang mag-change. Kaya, yan na lang. Okay lang din naman yung kanya. Itong shorts na suot ko ngayon, guys. Remember, nung okay tayo? Ito yung ating, ito yung ating, na okay. Super nice. I love it. I love it. Ang aking buhok, alam niyo ba, hindi ko na ito sinupply ha. Magko-confess na tuloy ako sa inyo. Ginanon ko lang kaagad tapos clamp. Oh, diba? Bongga na. Hindi na siya kailangan para mabilis na. Kasi, ano nga lang, hindi na ako naglagay ng makeup or anything. Ano lang, hilamos na. Hala, umuulan na naman. Umuulan na naman. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Ayun na naman si Daddy Mike sa kanya. Ay, very nice.
What did you say?
Hello! Wala, tingnan nyo naman jacket. Nagdapog na naman dyan, oh. Ready, steady? Uy! Uy! Ready, steady?
Can you video me singing?
Oh. Singing?
Guys,
We're here now. We were here now.
I want to sing the Little Mermaid song too because I want to show you.
Look.
And I'm gonna sing it now.
Look.
Okay.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? What did you think?
Look, Lenny,
My
look.
collection's complete. What did you think? I'll get Us. You.
No, you look at your face.
Sure. Treasures and toys. Come I want this. Can one happy?
What's on your face?
Look happy. Here you think. Sure.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
I gon' get.
Are you happy?
Oti, sing, ay, baby girl, sing with
I
ate.
got here's it. What's it galore? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
Uy, kadako ba nga ba?
Where the people are. I wanna see.
Ay, saan ba kay ate
them
singing?
dancing, walking around in those. They call them free. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay, they're in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. I give it back to me. I love water.
Let's go.
Kaya magkano kay Swirlight na lang. Get your jacket, please. Get your jacket.
Out on the side.
Siya kahuman, guys.
They don't understand, but they don't reprimand it. Right,
Ikaw na
young
dyan na.
women.
Women.
Right, young women.
Bring your jackets up ba? Bring the brown one, okay? Because it's cold. Umuulan pa ba? Okay, out na oh. See, daddy yan saling
Right, young
out na.
women.
Habang nagdadive kasi ako, guys, ang hala, it's raining. Oh my God. I've got that thing on, you know, like the karaoke ba? Kaya sa the Paris side, like carried away sa kanyang karaoke. Daddy, run, Bob!
See?
Say, good girl. Maybe dito? Yan, malabas yung mga tao dyan, so maybe dyan. Si Linin! Oh yeah, Milton Studio. Oh, here it is. Come here, sweetie. Oh, nice. Here, Lini, you want water lang? Ling Ling. Ah. Oh, cute. Look, hala. Look, may bet na si mami niyo. Uy, it's not. Oh, super cute. What size is that boots lang? Have a look at the boots. What size is that boots? Does that fit you? Yeah. Then you have this and this. And this. Oh, nice. What size is this? La, this will fit Lini, Daddy.
Mommy.
Are you happy? No? Yeah. Oh, art and craft. That's your place.
I wanna go.
So, they're close enough.
Can I go tomorrow?
You go to school, buwan.
Oh yeah.
We'll check that out, okay? Online. So, kakatapos lang namin doon, guys. And oh my God, yun yung lugar na hinahanap ko na natagpuan ko na. Charis. Diba, sinasabi ko palagi sa inyo, gusto kong bumili ng mga damit ng mga kids. Nung nasa Melbourne kami, every time pumupunta ako ng op shop, marami talaga silang pang kids. Pero dito, wala akong nakitang ganun sa mga op shops. So, buti na lang sa Sunday market na ganyan, meron silang parang mini, me and for my mini. Parang ganun. So, yung mga tinda din nila is yung may mga pang ano din ba, hindi lang pang matanda, meron ding pang kids. So, super happy kasi marami ako na pamili for our I don't think Ate Paris, isa lang yata kay Ate Paris, pero yung size nila doon, guys, is more on baby Celine. So, marami ako na pamili for baby Celine. Ayan, pagkita ko sa inyo, mag-haul tayo mamaya pag naka-stop na tayo. We're just walking around, maghahanap kami ng cafe. Tignan nyo, may pabag pa si Daddy Mike. So, meron din yung ano, ate, quick. Laman yung bag ni Daddy Mike. Mag-haul tayo pagdating natin sa cafe. Kaya sobrang cute, guys, grabe. Parang na ano ako na carried away din ako. Sobrang dami ko na pamili for baby Celine, and some of them are cheap but some of them are not. So medyo you know, it depends on you. Kung gusto mo talaga yung item, then yeah, you'll get it. Pa, sobrang cute. Makita nyo mamaya. Ito na kami ngayon sa coffee club, guys. Eh, sa dahil Mike nag-order na. Be, maraming tao. Mag-haul dito talaga sa cafe, guys. Kasi sandito na tayo. Hintay pa naman kami ng order. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung first na nabili ko doon. This is part of Paris kasi size 5 siya. Sobrang ganda niya. Tingnan niyo naman ang kulay niya, guys. Diba? Pang party talaga ito siya, guys. This is from the brand Seed. Kita ba? And $15 for this. And I think it's worth it. Kasi yung mga itong style, hindi ko na nakikita ngayon sa sa store. So I think ito yung mga old styles. Here, honey, you wanna have a look? No? Okay. Tapos, the same shop, the same stall pala. Ito yung nabili ko for $5. And this is like a dress. Kita niyo ba? Mukhang very mahayag is light. Ayan. Ito ang kanyang print.
Okay, I got it.
Ayan.
I want one.
So yun yung sa first call, guys.
What do you have to eat?
Ito,
I don't know what the word
this
is.
way.
Pancakes with strawberry,
Pancakes with strawberry.
eggs on toast.
I want
Maybe this one.
pancakes with strawberry.
I want the scone gum with the cream.
Daddy,
Jam.
I want pancakes with strawberries.
Then, the next one is, tingnan nyo, sobrang cute for Celine. Bunny. Honey, look at the bunny. Hello, bunny. Hop, hop, hop. And this one is for, I think $2 ata ito eh. $2. Sobrang
What do
ganda.
you want, the cheeseburger and chips?
I'm still thirsty.
1, 2, 3, down.
Look. I want you. I want you.
What is it?
I want you.
1, 2.
Alright, what do you want?
Padedi ko muna to guys. Tapusin ko yung mamaya.
Pancake?
Tapusin ko yung haul natin mamaya. Kasi tingnan niyo, I want you. Ready na ang ating baby, guys. I'll just do this quickly.
Okay.
Daddy. Ito. Tingnan niyo, sobrang ganda. Ayan. And from the brand Bardor. And it's $1. $1 eh. Open. See, Daddy, if Daddy can open. I don't think you can open it, sweetie girl.
Hey?
Ayan. And then I've got this. Oh, itong nabilhan ko na guys. Actually, few items. Tignan niyo to.
Daddy.
From the brand Bebe. Bebe.
Can't do anything, hold on.
Very nice. Ang kanyang dress for baby Celine. And then, isang shop. Hala! Hala, paano man ito? Meron pang ganito guys kasi may tag pa siya. Sobrang ganda pa naman niya. And then this is one for seed. Size 4. Kasya pa ito ba? May bigat. Baby Celine na lang din po kasi maliit. So isang shop lang po siya guys ha. Tapos itong mga pants. Pants na ganyan. Tatlo siya na different kulay niya. And this one seed. For Celine. Ayan. So lahat yung pinakita ko, $40. $40. So that was great buy. And then ito, medyo mahalika. Maganda din naman kasi. I'm happy to actually pay. This is $20 for this. Okay. Uy! And then the last, uy! Sobrang ganda. Masusuot pa ito ng Celine for, hanggang siya eh. It's very stretchy. Maganda to siya parisan ng top mo. Very cute din. And then, the last one na nabili natin is pair of shoes from Old Souls. Sobrang cute niya, guys. $20 din to siya. So, $40 yung nabili ko doon sa shop na yun. So, doon nakapag, maybe just over $100 din doon. Guys, mga damit ng mga kiddos. They're happy. Oh. Where's the best spot?
That's mine.
Thank you.
Get that out there. I didn't know who needed feeding first.
I ordered this one
Mama.
with the jam and the cream.
That part of the cream.
Of course.
That's not good.
Don't get PC and don't get
So good.
Yeah.
Mana.
Yummy. Kakatapos lang namin kumain, guys, and we're just going to have a look around here. So, this is Milton. And hindi pa kami nakapunta dito before. So, magtingin-tingin kami dyan kung anong pwedeng matingnan dyan. Oh, this is pretty cool.
Mommy.
Yes, princess, careful, anak ha. La Dolce Vita. Okay, follow daddy. Yes. And you know what, guys? Yung work ko sa Melbourne, 'di ba, pag nag-move ako dito, pwede akong mag-work dito sa office namin dito sa Milton. So, if ever babalik ako sa work ko, ay dito sa area na to. Yung office namin. Meron silang ano dito, oh. Mostly mga restaurant. Ayan, meron silang nail salon. Mga pa-beauties. Hold daddy lang! Tuk-tuk bar. That's, daddy, that would be Thai for sure, yeah? Oh, careful, Bob. Might be cars. Yeah, there. Yeah, kainan. Madami silang kainan dito. Yeah, more kainan here. Dentist. Optometrist. Close naman. Pero maganda ha. Maganda yung view. Green. Ano ba ang Tagalog ng green? Verde. Oh! Good girls. Yeah.
My favorite player.
Yeah. Careful, Bob. Oh, what's in here? They got Australia Post. So just more shops. Little shops. Hen! Now she wants to hold your hand, teh.
Ini why your legs brown?
Balik na kami sa car namin, guys.
Why is Lady's legs brown?
Because she's Filipino. Filipino. Bebo. Are you Filipino lang? Oh! Up! Come on! Are you okay, Lynn? Is Ate okay? Help Ate. Scratch? Be? No, that's from the other day. Uy, from school, Taka. Come on. Squatch. Yeah, Lini does. It's okay, Lini. There's no blood. There's no blood. Come on.
A few moments later.
We're home na, guys. Ihahang ko lang tong mga uniform ni Ate Paras kasi school na naman bukas. So, kailangan na itong madry. So, ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog sa sasakyan. I transferred her sa bed and tulog pa rin siya. Ayun. So, today is not very sunny in Brisbane. Makikita nyo? Very makulimlim siya, guys. Which is alright. It's good to have some days like this, diba? Hindi always sunny. Just look at the bright side of the situation. So, the next 10 days will be sunny again. So, today is ganito. Pero, sa susunod na mga araw ay very sunny na naman. Ayan. Asa naman yung isang uniform natin Paris? Yung isang uniform natin Paris, guys, na nabot-bot ang dali ba, oh? Tang-tang, kailangan, ewan ko kung pwede pa yun siyang tahit ba? But this one, mukhang dito kasi, oh, nagisi. See? So, mamaya, mga later in the afternoon na siguro, tsaka pa kami mag-grocery for this week's mga kailanganin namin dito sa bahay. Dito sa clothes horse na to, kasi nandito siya sa labas, medyo hindi siya basa pero maginaw lang siya ba. Ilagay ko siya sa dryer for a few minutes. Tapos yung mga bagong nalabhan ko, yun na naman yung ano ko dito. Ayoko dalhin sa baba kasi maulan, there's no use. Basa-basa lagi hapon dito. Luluto na tayo ng kanin, guys. Alam niyo ba, meron kaming bit-bit kagabi, di ba, na bring home from the restaurant, Filipino restaurant. So, ini-snack na yung ng mga kids yung spring roll, yung mga maliliit. And, may bulalo na naiwan at may sabaw. So, yun yung kakainin ko. And si Daddy Mike ay magluluto daw ng dinner ng mga kids. Tapos ako yung maglilinis. Lutuin ko muna tong rice. And then, si Daddy Mike na yung magiging in charge dito sa kitchen. Gusto ko ako yung magluluto ng rice kasi pinatansya ko yung tubig para masarap. Okay. Hayaan ko na yan siya dyan, guys. Anak ko yung maglilinis dito kasi tingnan nyo na naman. Ayan. Kaya ng umaga, nagmap ako ng floor. Pero, hindi naman siya ano guys. Oh, lumabas na si Inday. Hi, Inday. What are you after? Naggubot-gubot sa karitos kwarto. Ha? Loading si Iya. Kasabot ka, nak? Wala. Ha? Kasabot ka ng mama? Wala, guys. Wala kasabot. So, si Daddy na yung decide kung ano yung lulutuin ko din na. Kita niyo ba, guys? Yung haircut ni Daddy Mike is bago pala. Kahapon nito siya nagpa-haircut. Ay, naka-ano ba? Hindi ko na-vlog. Hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo kahapon pa. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's shorter. Malinis na dito sa likuran niya. Busy yan siya nakikinig sa kanyang podcast, guys. Ganyan yan siya. Parehas kami. Kapag ako naglilinis, doing something, I have my din, sa YouTube. Nakikinig lang ba? Or nanonood. Linigil! It's so ngit-ngit man here, anak. Kayo, okay. Tingnan niyo, suot na naman niya. Uy, careful, anak ha. Mataga kaya lang. Suot na naman niya ang kanyang mermaid. Josh, papalit-palit yan siya. Minsan mermaid, minsan yung isang Sophie na, Princess Tracy. Do you love it? Ha? Josh! Tingnan niya ang ginawa ng kanyang ate sa kanya. Hi! Is that your house? Is that your house with your baby? My baby. How's your baby?
Let me know.
Oh, is she okay? Is she okay? Kakita akong palangga. I love you, anak. Tingnan niyo. Ang tatay nila nagluluto, nagpe-prepare ng dinner, oh. Oh, ito sila. Ako, nasa kwarto naglilinis. Sila din dito, oh. Wow! Are you looking after your sister, ate? I'm sure it's beautiful, though. Look, the baby! Put the baby to sleep!
Right?
Yeah. Sing to the baby! Tingnan nyo ang ginawang bahay. Oh. Wow, very strong house. And I puff.
Hello.
Oi, careful! Don't break your house like this.